That looks like a piece from a mango tree from neighbor. Well, here's a quick walkthrough. Let's see how we're doing. It's not as messy as I thought it would be. Not that I'm disappointed, but I'm actually very grateful. That is a guava tree that survived. It had tied strings on it and there's support. And unfortunately, I think that one is a clean break. Oh, hello there. How are you doing? Well, that's a pretty cool survivor. Bye, squirrel. Now this one here, I guess that could still be saved. As you can see, the root looks like it's still solid. That tree just has a couple of broken branches. And this one, well, I guess that's a clean break. May have to be trimmed. So, going back, let's pan over to this side with the palm trees, with the royal palms. I think those royal palms are responsible for these palm fronds. Okay, going back, a little messy. Frangipani trees are the ones that are damaged the most because they're quite brittle. So we're walking towards the house. Let's see, there's one palm tree there that's down. Let's see if we can pan through that without having to walk all the way over there. Yep, that one's down too. But I know there's one big one that's still hanging by a pole. Walking through, walking through. Here you can see it from a distance, I think. Okay, now the sun's beating. And the house stood well over there.